back to my channel. So today I'm here with Atina Hair once more. It's the same packaging as before. Let's see what we got today. So as I open the box, I see the wig. I got a wig cap and an extra elastic band. That's all that I got in today's box. So for today's wig, what I got is a kinky straight natural color wig. This is a lace front, full on lace front with a 13x6 parting. You know, the lace is medium brown. It has 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and again, this is for like my minimalistic girls who love that kinky texture vibe. I'm gonna give this a nice straight look, blowout, like natural blowout look today. It did come pre-plucked as well. It's 200% in density, and yeah, that's literally it. So we're gonna jump in and start applying and slaying this wig. Guys, so this is my model again. Tell them hi.
Hey.
Yeah, she loved getting glammed by me, so she's here today again. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, this high. Stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I can't give up this feeling. headlights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
Like did nice pink curls. I was going to do it straight initially, but I realized that most of the time when I get this texture I'm always straightening it, so I decided to give it some nice soft bouncy curls, and that's what I did with my wand. And you know, she has a very neutral glam going. So I'm gonna just unravel everything right now. So this is the finished look. It's a very natural look. It's that nice natural looking blown out look with big voluptuous curls, and that's just the vibe I was going for instead of straight. I love the way it's looking. It just looks like it's her hair, you know, like it really does look like it's her hair. So I'm going to be sure to put the information on this wig, all the specs on it, in my description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. The direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it will be in my description box. So shout out to Atina Hair again for this gorgeous wig, and thanks to my model for being here. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.